Upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your Dallas home. New windows enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and improve indoor comfort, especially in a climate known for hot summers and sudden storms. If you've scheduled professional window installation, you may be wondering what the process involves. Knowing what to expect can help you feel confident, prepared, and excited about your upgrade. Here's a step-by-step look at what typically happens during professional window installation in Dallas. Pre-installation consultation and measurements. Before installation day arrives, professionals will visit your home to take precise measurements. Accurate sizing is essential to ensure your new windows fit securely and seal properly. During this stage, you'll also finalize details such as window style, frame material, glass options, and any energy-efficient upgrades like low-E coatings or double-pane glass. Because Dallas weather can be intense, your installer will often recommend energy-efficient options designed to reduce heat gain and improve insulation. Preparing your home on installation day, the crew will begin by protecting your home's interior. Drop cloths and protective coverings are placed over floors and nearby furniture to prevent dust or debris from causing damage. You may be asked to remove curtains, blinds, or wall decor near the windows before the crew arrives. Clearing the space helps the installation process move efficiently. Professional installers aim to minimize disruption, but some noise and minor dust are normal during the removal of old windows. Removing old windows. The next step is carefully removing your existing windows. Installers will take out the sashes, frames, and any surrounding trim as needed. In Dallas homes, older windows may have worn seals or signs of heat-related expansion. The crew will inspect the window opening for any structural damage, rot, or moisture issues before proceeding. Addressing these issues ensures your new windows perform at their best. Installing the new windows. Once the opening is prepared, the new window is positioned, leveled, and secured. Proper alignment is crucial for smooth operation and long-term performance. Installers will insulate around the frame to prevent air leaks. High-quality sealants and flashing are applied to protect against moisture intrusion, especially important during Dallas storms. This step directly impacts your window's energy efficiency. A well-installed window helps keep cool air inside during hot summers and reduces drafts during cooler months. Sealing and finishing touches. After the window is secured, the crew will apply interior and exterior trim as needed. Caulking ensures a tight seal that protects against air and water infiltration. The installation team will test each window to ensure it opens, closes, and locks properly. They'll also clean the glass and remove debris from the work area. Professional installers take pride in leaving your home as clean, or cleaner, than they found it. Final inspection and walkthrough. Before the project is complete, the team will walk you through the finished installation. They'll demonstrate how to operate your new windows and answer any questions you may have. You'll also receive information about warranties and maintenance tips to help your windows last for years. How long does installation take? Most professional window installations in Dallas are completed within 1 to 2 days, depending on the number of windows being replaced. Weather conditions are always considered, especially during the hotter months. Experienced installers work efficiently to limit the time your home is exposed to outdoor temperatures. The benefits of professional installation. While high-quality windows are important, proper installation is equally critical. A professionally installed window ensures maximum energy efficiency, reduced air leaks, protection from water intrusion, long-term durability, smooth operation. In Dallas, where heat and storms can test your home's exterior, professional installation provides peace of mind. A smooth, stress-free upgrade. Professional window installation is a straightforward process when handled by experienced experts. With careful preparation, precise installation, and attention to detail, your new windows will enhance comfort, efficiency, and appearance. For Dallas homeowners, knowing what to expect helps turn installation day into an exciting step toward a more comfortable and energy-efficient home.